Good morning, students. I am Rajiv Ranjan Upadhyay, SST teacher of Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. Student, today I am going to teach Geography lesson 1 of class 10th. Your first lesson of Geography is Resource and Development. I have teach you the different part of this lesson in my previous videos. I have taught you in the last video about the alluvial soil. Today I am going to describe you about the black soil. Student, all of you know that black soil is the second most important soil in our nation, and it is very important for production of many things. Some things are completely depend on the black soil, like black soil is also known as the RRU soil, and it is most suitable for production of the cotton. That's why in some places of our nation it is known as the black cotton soil. Here you should know that formation of the black soil, how black soil is formed. The parent bedrock of black soil is igneous. It is formed due to the eruption of the volcanoes. Whenever volcano erupt, the lava comes from the earth crust, and whenever it spread into the surface, it became cooler, and after that, after millions of years, it will it has been converted into the black soil. In our southern part of country, it is also known as the Deccan trap. Why trap? Because of it spread about the trapping system. Some trap, after that another trap, after that another trap, and that's why it is known as the Deccan trap. I describe here one thing, that it is most important thing, that black soil is very fertile and it is very clay material. You can see here I have just described you about the black soil. Black soil, it is also known as the regular soil and black cotton soil. It is rich in, it means that these minerals are found mostly in this soil: calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. Calcium carbonate, potash, and lime. It is the main minerals of the black soil, and it is found into the Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh, extend in southeast direction along the Godavari and Krishna Valley. Student, here I will describe you about, it is the well known for their capacity to hold the moisture. In addition, for their rich in soil nutrients such as calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. These soil are generally poor in phosphoric contents. They develop deep cracks during the hot weather, which helps in the proper aeration of the soil. Now I am going to describe about the red soil. Red soil is found into the Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Western Ghat, and all of you know that about the red soil, that it is mostly found in the eastern and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau. Yellow and red soil are also found in parts of, I have described you earlier, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and Western Ghat. It is affected by the leaching. Due to the leaching and due to the erosional activity, this soil is not very suitable for the production. Students, now I am going to describe you about the laterite soil. Laterite has been derived from the Latin word later, which means brick. It means that its color is just like the brick. After that, it is the laterite soil developed in areas with high temperature and heavy rainfall. This is the result of intense leaching. And after intense leaching, it is most diverted. It means that it is the affected. It is the erosion by the rainwater, by the weather condition, and after that the soil becomes most of the micronutrients or microorganism which is available into the soil, they drain out, and after that this soil is not much fertile. It is found in mostly found into the Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, and the hilly areas of Odisha, Assam. After adopting appropriate soil conservation techniques, particularly particularly in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, this soil is very useful for the production. Students, after laterite soil, I will describe you about the arid soil. Arid soil is mostly found into the desert areas, and in the desert areas, it is not very fertile soil because of lack of the water, lack of the irrigation system, lack of the fertile materials. It is not suitable for the growing crops. But in some parts of the Rajasthan, after constructing the Indra canals, it is suitable for growing some pulses, some mustard vials, and some wheat. It means that after proper aeration, after proper suitable treatment, and adopt green revolution, the method of green revolution and proper irrigation system, it may be possible that some part of this type of soil, it means that arid soil will be productive. But mostly arid soil is not productive, and it is found into the western part of our country, mostly in Rajasthan and some part of the Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. In the Gujarat and Rajasthan. Mostly it is found into the Rajasthan. A student, in my next video, I will teach about the erosional activity and the conservation of soil. Thank you.